Welcome to Tami's Maths. It's miscellaneous and it is determinant. It's miscellaneous. Let's see how we are going to go about this determinant. Fx is a determinant. The first row is 1x, x plus 1. Second row 2x, x into x minus 1, x plus 1 into x. Third row 3x, x minus 1, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, x plus 1 into x minus 1. That is fx. We are interested in f100. Okay. A determinant is a chapter where you can do whatever you like. But even though I say you can do whatever you like I say this road, no, you can walk in any direction, in any way you like, it will take you to your place. I say you walk as you like. You may dance and walk, you may sing and walk, you may run there, but I am sure you won't close your eyes and walk there, won't you? So even though we say it's a topic where you are allowed so much of freedom and you can do whatever you like, there are so many manipulations, still there are restrictions. There are restrictions. And when you learn the properties and all that, you will know what is a restriction. Fx is this. When I try to simplify a determinant, and in case it happens to be 0, I try to do some manipulation so that two rows are identical or two columns are identical or maximum 0 elements we have. We try something like this. So this could be done in two ways. One way is you can take x outside from here. You can take x outside from here. And you can take x plus 1 outside from here like that. And you can take x like that. You can do so many things that I think you'll take up afterwards. But what I'm going to do now is column 3 is equal to column 3 minus column 2. This is allowed, isn't it? Column 3 is equal to column 3 minus column 2. You can't be doing manipulation with all the three columns. But one column or two column you can do. Now column 3 is column 3 minus column 2. This is column 3, no? Column 2. So that element will become 1. What about this? Take out x outside. So it will become 2x. This x and x will get cancelled. Now the next one. So this could be taken off, say. So x and x will get cancelled. This will become u. So this will be your new column 3. So now fx is equal to, the change I have done is column 3 is equal to column 3 minus column 2. This is 1. This is 2x. This is 3x into x minus 1. This is x. This is x into x minus 1. This is x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now column 3, it is 1. First element is 1. Next element is 2x. Next element is 3x into x minus 1. What do you find? Lovely, no? Beautiful. Do whatever you like, of course, with a lot of sense and lot of restriction. This and this are identical. So two columns are identical. The value of the determinant will be 0. So the determinant is 0 for anything. So f100, that also will be 0. whatever value you give for x, that fx will be 0. So f100 also will be 0. Okay, this is one method. Now I will give you another method. It may take few minutes. I will give you another method. Let's see what we are going to get. So answer for this will be A, 0. So what is determinant? You do whatever you like, but still with some restrictions. Okay, there are so many things I can do with the determinant using the properties, but still there are restrictions. We have to use it in a sensible way. Now look here, fx. I will take x from here, from row 2 I will take x outside. X, x, x. I have taken 2 here, x minus 1 here, x plus 1 here. I am doing stage by stage. Now look here. Again I will take x. See, you can do, combine and do it. But I am doing it stage by stage so that you will understand well. Now I will take x into x minus 1, x into x minus 1, x into x minus 1 from row 3. So x, x minus 1 I have taken outside. Oh, will you tell me what I'm going to do? It will speak to you. Take x plus 1 from the last column. Now, let's see how we will simplify this. If you want, you can even expand. It's left to you. Row 1 is row 1 minus row 2 minus 1. So this is minus, so x and x will get cancelled and it will become 0. Row 2 is row 2 minus row 3. So that is minus 1. And what will happen to this? This will become 1. And this will become 0. And this is 3, x minus 2 and 1. Now expand this by the last column. Just one step, you will get the answer. Expand this by the last column. You can expand a determinant by any row or any column. So this will be x squared into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now 0 into something will be 0. 0 into something will be 0. Now this is 1. It will be 1 and this determinant. This determinant will be what? Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Minus of minus 1 into 1. That will be plus 1. So into 0. The determinant value will be 0. So this is 0. So fx is 0. Hooray! Beautifully we have got the answer. So f100 will be equal to 0. I have done by two methods so that one method is just one column. I handle it. I got the answer in a minute. This is taking common elements outside because in an exam you don't know what will strike you at that moment. Do these questions and practice it. And don't underestimate determinant. Don't think determinant is simple, I will do it, it's very easy. Not like that. Every chapter has its own demand. So work it. We'll meet in the next video with more questions. Till then, happy learning.